Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to reuse the old pant into a new skirt. I have a old pant of my child. This I am going to convert into a skirt. This process is same for adults too. If you have any old pant that you want to reuse, you can convert it into a skirt. Keep the pant straight and fold it. Crease it. Make it straight so that it is even. I have made the pant straight now. Now to the desired length of the height for which you want the skirt to be, mark it and cut through it. And then after cutting it, mark this point straight and cut this part too. I have cut the bottom part now. Now it's time to cut this part. Mark a straight line from here to here and cut the entire portion. We have now cut the sides of the pant. Now when you open it, it looks like this. Open from both the ends. Now what you have to do is, since for pant it's in this shape, now you just need to turn the waist. Keep it this way. Now it looks like a skirt. What you have to do is just turn the waistline. Let me show you clearly. From this, just hold it and turn it. The division of the pant which was in the center has come to the sides now. So what you need to do next is give stitch connecting both the sides. So I'm going to show you that. After turning the waistline, now the skirt looks like this. We have to now turn it upside down and give stitch on both the sides. Since the cutting may not be proper, keep it in a straight way and give a straight stitch. If you want the skirt to be in different pattern, you can even cut down, put knots, or you can even add some ruffles to the skirt. It all depends on your own creation. Now I'm going to make a just simple skirt by stitching the ends. Let me show you. Turn this upside down. If your line is not so proper, put a line and cut the extra parts. Since I have not cut it properly, I need to put a line and cut the extra parts. So you can also follow the same. Just put a line here and cut the extra parts. I have stitched both the sides with my hands. If you know machine sewing, you can do machine stitch on both the sides. This is how the skirt looks after it's stitched. If your pant has pocket, like this pant has a pocket behind, just cut the pocket and give a small stitch so that it doesn't look odd. So follow the same procedure for adult skirt. Like if you want to convert the pant into skirt, you can do this on leggings, pants, palazzos, everything. Now right now I have used a night pant. You can do the same on other pants too. You can either sew the down part, or you can cut into fringes, or you can leave it like this if you want. It's up to you. But since my cutting is not proper, I'm going to do fringes here so that it gets a new style. This is my first YouTube video. So for more videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is how the skirt looks after stitching and turning. I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.